Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's look at another derivative rule, which we will use sometimes, and that is the derivative of natural log. Now, what is the derivative of natural log? Um, well, let's run through a quick little proof of this. Of course, it'll be kind of a simplistic one, but y equals natural log x. All right, we want to take the derivative of this. Well, we can rewrite this statement as x is equal to e to the y. Um, if we think about raising both sides to the e power and using the property of inverse functions, or just the other way of writing this situation with the inverse function natural log to e to the x, or and then doing that, we can kind of think, okay, what's the derivative of x as a function of y? Derivative of e to the y is just e to the y, it's just itself, right? So how do you get dy dx? Well, going the derivative of x with respect to y to the derivative of y with respect to x, it's reciprocals of each other. This is going to be 1 over e to the y. But then since we want a function of x, we just replace y with what it is, which is natural log x, so 1 over e to the natural log x, and inverse functions again. So that's just 1 over x. So the derivative of natural log of x is simply 1 over x. And we'll be using that. Now, some ideas along with that. What's the derivative of natural log of 5x? Well, you could think maybe use a chain rule and some other things, but remember log properties. It simplifies things a little bit. So this is a constant. Its derivative is 0. Then its derivative is just of this, which is 1 over x. So you can check with the chain rule here. Think of this as natural log of something of 5 to the x. Now let's kind of think about what happens. This is the same thing as 1 over that something. And then this, the derivative of that is just 5. Remember what the something is. It was 5x to begin with, and you get those things canceling. So it's just 1 over x as expected. So taking the derivative of natural log of x or natural log of 5x or whatever we can handle in a nice way, in such a way. Thanks for watching.